Can't store downloaded files in their concerning folders. I've written a script in Python in combination with Selenium to download few document files, ending with .doc, from a web page. The reason I do not wish to use requests or erlib module to download the files is because the website I'm currently polying with do not have any true URL connected to each file. They are JavaScript encrypted. However, I've chosen a link within my script to mimic the same. What my script does at this moment: create a master folder in the desktop. Create subfolders within the master folder taking the name of the files to be downloaded. Download files initiating click on their links and put the files in master folder. This is what I need rectified. How can I modify my script to download the files initiating click on their links and put the downloaded files in their concerning folders? This is my try so far. The following image represents how the downloaded files are currently stored. The files are outside of their concerning folders.
I just added the rename of the file to move it. So it'll work just as you have it, but then once it downloads the file, we'll move it to the correct path. os.rename, desk_location plus / single quote plus file name, file_location. Full code.
Use this code while declaring the driver object. This is for Java. Python will also have a similar way to accomplish it. This will download the file to the specified location every time.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.